Today's businesses service customers and partners around the globe and rely on distributed workforces. But connecting users with applications and workloads brings connectivity challenges, including network traffic and latency, unreliable performance, an unpredictable experience, and security gaps. Crucial core-to-edge connectivity often involves multiple complex and expensive deployments. No two hybrid IT infrastructures are alike, and solving these challenges requires tailored interconnection solutions. Modernize and optimize your network with Flexential. Flexential interconnection solutions enable seamless, secure private connections to the edge and back, and include a rich ecosystem of carriers, partners, and cloud service providers, available through a single point of contact. Flexential fits every requirement by combining data center interconnection and interconnection mesh for point-to-point and multi-point transport solutions between Flexential's national footprint of co-location and cloud data centers and strategic carrier hotels. IP bandwidth for fully redundant internet connectivity with automated DDoS scrubbing. Cloud Fabric for direct, dedicated connections to the leading cloud service providers, and network hubs placed near the network edge to increase application performance and optimize network costs. Flexential interconnection solutions are based on our industry-leading Flex Anywhere platform. Built on a 100 gigabit network backbone with thousands of cross-connects and access to subsea cables, Flexential interconnection solutions support easy management of services at the edge and improve performance by localizing traffic decisions and compute resources. And all Flexential interconnection solutions are designed to support you as you build and grow your IT infrastructure. One-size-fits-all connectivity is yesterday's solution. Turn to Flexential for reliable, secure, and scalable interconnections that will evolve with your business. Visit our website today to learn more.